Okay. Hi children. Yesterday we are conducting one exam depending upon MAT and NTSC MATSAT, that is the topic of mathematical operation. Now we are discussing about total 15 questions. What? Right. Now the first question. What is that one? If a plus stands for division, division stands for multiplication, multiplication stands for subtraction, and minus stands for addition, which of the following is true? Okay, first before going to the questions, what is the basic concept of mathematical operation is divided into 4 types. What are those? Okay, what are the 4 options? That is simplification, substitution, and then interchanging of symbols, and then conclusion. Now these 4, in this exam I am giving only 3 topics. Interchanging of symbols is not given. 100% I will give some questions here, that is 5 questions of interchanging of the numbers. You have to answer in a comment section compulsory with your name and one first question answer, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, like that. Okay, now only 3 topics are there. In that 3 topics, now the first question. Now the first question is asking that which of the following is correct. Correct means he is asking a conclusion. Okay, for the conclusion we have to do all the options, other than that is a none of this. Okay, what about this one? Now for the first question, 18 divided by 6 minus 7 plus 5 into 2 is equal to 20. Okay, look at there. Whenever 18 divided by 6, here 18 is there. In the first option 18 is there. It is exactly divided by only 6 and 2. That means division and into must be changes. Is there? It is possible. Division stands for, divide stands for multiply. Okay, it is possible. What about second one? Okay, second one is also same diagram. That is a division must be into. Okay, like that. By following of these, we can get one of the option is correct. What is that option? Okay, first of all we have to verify all those. 18, 6, 7, 5, 2. For the first option, division minus, okay, division means multiplication, and then minus stands for, what is that one? Addition, and then plus stands for division. Okay, here it is, we get a division. 7 divided by 5 is not getting exactly, that is the value of 20. That's why we are cancelling off this one. Next. Okay, what about second one? Same, 18, 6, then 7, 5, 2 is equal to, now it gives a 18. Now plus division into, now plus stands for division. Okay, no problem. Next, division stands for multiplication. Okay, multiplication stands for subtraction. Okay, next, minus stands for addition. Okay, here it is 3, 7, 5, 2. 21 minus 5 plus 2. Okay, 21 minus 5, that is 16. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. We got a same answer. Now the answer is second option. We have a answer as second option. Okay, right? Same. Now second question. Now first question is over. Now second question. Okay, what is that? Again he is asking for a correct answer. Correct answer means conclusions. Conclusions means we have to find all the option 100%. Okay, right? Now first one, 18 divided by 3, 18, 3, 2, 8, 6 is equal to, they give a 10. Now division stands for subtraction, and then next one, into stands for addition. Okay, no problem. And then plus stands for multiplication, and then minus stands for division. Okay, here look at here, 8 divided by 6 getting a have a decimal values, but here it is a integer value. That's why first option is wrong. Now move to a second option. Second option, what is the number? 18, 3, 2, 8, 6 is equal to 14. Okay, right? Now minus plus, minus is plus. Next one, plus means division. Okay, sorry, plus means here multiplication, and then the third one is into. Into stands for addition, and the last one is division. Division stands for subtraction. Okay, by calculating of this we can get a 14 as an answer. It is getting or not, we are looking now. Okay, sorry, first one is minus stands for division here. Minus stands for division. 18 divided by 3, 6 into 2 plus 8 minus 6, that is 12 plus 8 minus 6. 12 plus 8 20, 20 minus 6 14. Already we got a answer. What is the option? Second option is our required answer. Okay, right? Next, third question. Okay, what is the third question? If an imaginary mates plus means into, okay, into means subtraction, okay, all the other rules in mathematical operations are same as the exiting. Which of one of the following given the result of? Okay, ఇప్పుడు మనకు రిజల్ట్ అడుగుతున్నాడు అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఓన్లీ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చాడా, క్వశ్చన్ తో పాటు ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇచ్చాడా, క్వశ్చన్ తో పాటు ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇచ్చారు. దట్స్ వై వి ఆర్ టేకింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఏ substitution. Okay, what is the question? It is 175 minus 25 divided by 5 plus 20 and then into 3 plus 10. Okay, directly only question is there, that is called as a simplification. Now instruction also there, that's why we are considering it as a substitution. Okay, for the sake of minus, okay, first I am writing all the numbers, after that I will start a reading of a instruction. Okay, first instruction in imaginary made plus means multiplication. Where is the plus here? Multiplication. Here also plus, that's why we are taking a multiplication. Okay, and then into means subtraction. Where is the into? Here it is only 1 into, we are taking as a subtraction. Okay, next division means addition. Where is the division? Here is the division, we are taking it as a addition. Okay, and minus means division. Where is the minus? Here is the minus, we are taking it as a division. Okay, in now substitution is over. Again now we have to simplificate. Simplificate means first division. 175 divided by 25, 4 plus 3 7 plus and then multiplication 100 minus 30. 7 plus 100 minus 30, 70. Now the value is 70. 7 is our required answer. Okay, right? Next, fourth question. What is the fourth question? Okay, again he is asking for a correct value. Okay, correct value means conclusion. Conclusion means we have to do all the numbers. Okay, right? Next, what is the first one? In the fourth one, that is 6 divided by 20 into 12 plus 7 minus 1 is equal to 70. This is not a simplification, and also substitution is also there. Okay, what we have to substitute? Minus stands for division. Okay, first I am writing a values here. Minus stands for division. Okay, plus for multiplication. Here it is plus, that is we are taking it as a multiplication, and division for subtraction. Here is a division, that's why we are taking it as a subtraction, and into for addition. Here is into, we are taking it as a addition. Now first one we have to this one, 6 minus 20 plus 12 into 7, sorry, 7 divided by 1 7, 12 sevens, that is 84. Now 6 minus 20 plus 84, that is plus 64. 6 plus 64, 70. Now here also 70 only. Now first option is our required answer. What is here? Also here there is no option, this is 77, that is our third option is correct answer. Okay, right? Okay, next, fifth question. What is the fifth question? Directly not given, that is 2 divided by 6 into 6 divided by 2 is equal to what? Only question is there, it is a simplification. Only question is there, that is 2 by 6 into 6 by 2 getting a one value, but some of the rules are there in the above. What are those? Okay, plus means minus, Okay, here there is no plus here. Plus means minus means into. Where is minus? Minus is also not there. Into means division. Here is into means division. Okay, where is the into? There is no other into. And division means plus. And division means plus. Okay, now 2 plus 6 divided by 6, 1 plus. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Our required option is 5. Okay, now 5 is in the fourth option. Now our option is, fourth option is correct answer. Right? Next, sixth question. Okay, what would be the following equation stands for? Again, following stands for means simplification question. Okay, sorry, not simplification, this is also a substitution also. 28 4 sorry minus into 4 divided by 3 plus 2. Now he is asking for a what is the value. Okay, first I am writing a numbers as it is 28 4 3 2. Okay, in the places of these values we are substituting another values. What plus stands for multiplication, here it is plus, taking it as a multiplication. Into stands for division, into stands for here it is division, and minus stands for addition, minus stands for addition. Now the remaining division stands for subtraction. Okay, first we have to do 20 plus, what is the answer here? 2 minus 3 2 is 6, that is 22 minus 6. 22 minus 6 is 16. Our required answer is 16. 16 is in the which option? That is third option. Our option is third option is correct answer. Okay, right? Now move to the seventh question. Okay, right. Next, following expression, again asking a substitution like that, that is 16 into 8 divided by 4 minus 3 plus 9 is equal to what? I am writing 16 8 4 3 9. Okay, first of all into means minus and then division means plus and then minus means division, minus means division, and plus, and here it is minus means division, plus means into, this is the question. Now 16 minus 8 plus, now 4 by 3 into 9, 3 ones 3 3s are, okay, 16 minus 8 plus 4 3s are 12. Okay, 16 minus 8 plus 12, what is our required answer? 20. Okay, in seventh one 20 is there in the third option. Okay, what is our required answer? Option 3 is our required answer. Okay, right? Next one. Okay, again asking for a substitution question. 15 minus 3 plus 10 into 5 divided by 5, what is the answer? But before that off, we are changing a symbols. Changing of symbols, don't miss it, nana. Whenever you are miss a chances directly getting a first option or other, okay, the examiner thinking that you are doing a wrong one. Okay, ఒకవేళ మీరు రాంగ్ చేస్తే కూడా మీకు ఆన్సర్ ఏదో వస్తుందో అటువంటి ఆప్షన్ కూడా తయారు చేసి పెడతారు, ఎందుకు మనని మిస్అండర్స్టాండింగ్ చేసి తప్పు చేయడానికి. ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్, దట్ ఈస్ ఎయిత్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇన్ ఎయిత్ క్వశ్చన్ ప్లస్ మీన్స్ మైనస్. ఓకే, అండ్ దెన్ మైనస్ మీన్స్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, and then division means plus. Okay, and into means division. Here is into means division. First we have to do division. Okay, other than 15 4s are 45 minus 2 plus 5. Okay, 45 5 50. 50 minus 2 48. 48 is in which option? We are, that is second option. Now second option is our required answer. Okay, right? Next, ninth question. Okay, now he is asking that which of the following equation is correct. That is a conclusion. Now for the conclusion we have to do all these things. Okay, right? Now first option is 20 plus 8 minus 7 divided by 6 into 4 is equal to 25. Okay, depending upon their knowledge, we have their instruction, we have to first change the things. What are those things? Plus, first one is plus minus. Okay, for minus stands for division. Okay, in that only we are minus stands for division, means 8 divided by 7, it is getting a decimal, recurring decimal values. That's why we cannot answer this one. Okay, what about second option? Second option, 20 and 5, 4, 6 and 5 is equal to 15. Okay, now first one is minus division. Minus stands for division, no problem. Next, second option. Okay, next one, division. Division stands for multiplication, no problem. Next one is plus. Plus stands for subtraction, and then into. Into stands for addition. Okay, by calculating of this, 20 divided by 5, 4. 4 into 4 minus 6 plus 5. 4 4 is 16 minus 6 plus 5. That is 10 plus 5. That is 15. Here also 15. Our required option is second option for the question number 9. Okay, second option. Okay, now move to a 10th question. Now 10th question. Now 10th question is asking for substitution. What are those? That is 39 into 23 divided by 21 into 5. Okay, right. Now into stands for plus, into stands for plus, here also into stands for plus. Now only division is there. Okay, into stands for plus and division stands for minus. Division stands for minus. Only plus and minuses are there. Okay, first we have to write like this. Don't confuse this one. Plus 5 minus 21. Okay, 39 by doing of these. Okay, 39 plus 5, 44 plus 23 minus 21, 2. Now the answer is 46. In 10th one, now we needed a 46. In 46 is in the first option. We have a answer of 46, but 46 is there in the first option. We have to tick for a option where the number is there. Okay, for suppose 1 2 3 4 are the exact answer, that time you have to confuse. Don't confuse. Okay, right. After calculating of all these, you getting a wrong answer. Why? You cannot choose a correct option. For suppose you got a 2 is the answer. Okay, for suppose you got a 2 is the answer, but 2 is in the third option. Okay, like that. First option, second option, third option, fourth option. Okay, like that the answers are there. We have to tick for 2 or 3 here. We have to tick for 3, Nana. Okay, please, whenever you are tick for a option, please in a pleasant manner. Okay, nidananga alochinchi pettandi. Okay, right. Next. Okay, right. Next, 11th question. What is the 11th question? Okay, that is simplification and then a substitution. Okay, what is the question? That is 15 minus 10 divided by 130 plus 10 into 50. But only not question given, is with a substitution also. Okay, now I am writing a only numbers first. 15 10 130 10 50. Okay, for the first time. First is minus. Minus means into. Here it is minus. I am taking it as a into. There is no minus any other. Okay, and then division. Division means plus. Here it is the division. We are taking it as a plus. And then plus means division. Here it is plus. We are taking it as a division. And then into is there. Okay, into means minus. Here it is into. We are taking it as a minus. Okay, first this type of that one we have to solve in a bracket session first. Okay, 15 into 10 150 plus 130 divided by 10, that is 30 minus 50. 150 minus 50 100. 100 plus 13 113. Okay, in the V board session, look at there, V B O D M A S. Okay, till now we are doing only these options only. Now B bracket is also there. Okay, first a small bracket and then flower bracket and then square bracket. Okay, what is V? It is a vernacular. Vernacular means we are take it as a bar. First we have to prefer this one. Now here there is no prefer of any vernaculums here. That's why first move to a brackets and then the answer. Okay, now 113 is our answer. Okay, 113 is in the second option. Now is in the second option. Now for our question, the option is second. Now next 12th question. 12th question means same as it is, that is 36 into 12 plus 4 divided by 6 plus 2 minus 3 is what? Okay, now I am writing a question here. 36, 12, 4, 6, 2, 3. Okay, for the first time, plus means division. Here it is plus, here it is plus. Okay, right? Next, minus means into. Here it is minus. We are taking it as a into. Next, division means plus. Division means plus. Now, into means minus. Here it is into. We are taking it as a minus. First, we are doing which one, Nana? This one and this one. Why? Because we have to prepare for a first division. Okay, this one is 3 plus 3 into 3. After that, we are taking this one plus 9. 36 minus 3, 33 plus 9. 33 plus 9 is 42. Our answer is 42. Okay, in 12th question, where is the 42? In first option. Now our required answer is first option. Okay, right? Next, that is 13th question. If t means into, okay, like that. Okay, this one is also substitution question. What is the question? First we are writing this one, 50 v 2 and then w bracket open bracket 28 t4 and then close the bracket. Now this is the our required question, that is t then 4. Okay, now I am writing only values first. Okay, now first one VWT. Okay, what is the V? V means division. Okay, right? W means plus. Okay, right? What about T means into? We need an answer. 50 divided by 2, 25 plus 28 into 4. Okay, 80 plus 32. That is 112. Now 112 means 731. 137 is our required answer for the 13th question. For the 137 is in the option 3. Our required option is third option. Okay, right? Next, 14th question. Okay, for the 14th question he is asking for correct one. Okay, for finding of current one we have to solve all these. Okay, first one is 49, 7, 3, 5, 8 is equal to 16. Okay, first one is into plus. Okay, into means into stands for plus and then plus stands for into and then division. Okay, division stands for minus and then minus stands for division. 5 divided by 8 here. We are getting here it is integer, but here we are getting a decimal. That's why first option is wrong. Now move to a second option. Okay, right? Now the second option, what is the second option? Same numbers, 49, 7, 3, 5, 8 is equal to, now the answer is here it is getting a 26. First one is division into. Okay, division stands for minus and then into stands for plus and then plus and minus. Okay, minus stands for division. Here also minus stands for division means getting a wrong answer. Now third option. Third option is same as it is or not? Okay, third option is somewhat difference. That is 49, 7, 3, 5, 8 is equal to 20. Okay, for the first time that is getting a plus. Okay, first minus stands for division. Minus stands for division. Okay, look at there. 7 divided by 3. In the question 7 minus 3, minus stands for division. 7 minus 3 we are getting a decimal value. That's why this is also wrong one. Now for the fourth option. Okay, look at there. any substitution or conclusion questions are there, we have to solve all these. Whenever our luck is there in the first option is correct answer, we can get a answer in a small time, okay, within a time. Whenever it is the option in the 4 or else in the none of these, we have to take all these one. Now what is the fourth option? That is 49 7 3 5 8 is equal to 24. What is the first one? Minus and plus. Minus means division. 49 minus 7, no problem. Okay, whenever 3 options are correct, now the last one is 100% may be correct. Okay, 100% is correct. Okay, we are checking for that one. Okay, next plus. Plus stands for into. Next one is division. Division stands for minus. Next into. Into stands for plus. By calculating of this, we can get a 7. Okay, 7 3 is 21 minus 5 plus 8. Okay, 21 minus 5 plus 8 means 3. Now answer is 24. Which option is correct for our requirement question? That is a option 4 is the required answer. Okay, right? Next question, that is 15th question. Okay, what is the question for the 15th question? Okay, this is then means he is asking for a substitute and then simplificate. Now the question is 25 5 3 2 5 is equal to, okay, first one is into minus divided by plus. Okay, after writing a question, we are interchange of a symbols depending upon a examiner instruction. Okay, first one is plus means into. Where is the plus here? Plus means into, and then minus means division. Minus here, that is division. Okay, minus means division, comma, into means plus. Into means plus, and then last one is, okay, division is there again. Okay, division means minus. Division means minus. For this type of question, we need a answer. What is the answer? Okay, 25 plus. Okay, first we have to think it is whether it is a number in a integer form or in a fraction form or in a decimal form, not a integer. Why? Because here it is 5 by 3 is there. Okay, now 5 by 3 minus 2 into 10, 2 into 5, 10. 25 minus 10, that is 15. 15 plus 5 by 3. Now 15 plus 5 by 3 means 1 2 by 3. Okay, 15 plus 1, 16. Now 16 by 16, 2 by 3 is our required answer. Okay, only for the last questions the options are changed. Okay, it is only printing mistake. That's why I am giving a answer as 16, 2 by 3 our required answer. Okay, still is there any doubt? You have to ask in a comment section. I will give you 5 questions of interchanging of symbols or interchanging of numbers at the middle of a video, that is the right side or a left side. Okay, whenever I am doing a problem left side, I am giving in a right side. Whenever I am giving a right side, I will give a on the left side. You have to answer all the 5 questions. Okay, in the exam we have only 15 questions. That's why I am not giving a lot more of questions. That's why after 15 these questions, I will give you another 5 questions as a homework, or else that is your wish. For the practice session, that is your wish, but we have to answer these questions in a comment section. Okay, if you are interested in these classes, please like and subscribe my channel, that is ABC Arithmetic Balachandrudu. I will give a lot and more these type of reasoning session, that is general intelligence or in a aptitude, and I am helping to you as that is a 10th class maths also, that is school level maths. Is there any doubt? You have to ask and consult me. I will compulsory help for you. Okay, in a easy manner. Okay, thank you.